If you've been juggling your accounting in one tab and your stock management in another, today's video is going to change everything. Because in just a couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to integrate Zoho Books with Zoho Inventory so your business runs smoother, faster, and with zero manual syncing. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this integration matters. By linking Zoho Books with Zoho Inventory, you're essentially creating one unified system where your financial data and your inventory data automatically talk to each other. No more duplicate entries, no more mismatched stock levels, and no more last minute surprises. This is one of the easiest ways to streamline operations and scale your business the smart way to get started. Log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon to access settings. From there, find the Zoho Apps option. This is where all your Zoho integrations live. Inside the Zoho Apps menu, search for Zoho Inventory. Once you find it, click on it to begin the integration process. This is where your accounting system and inventory system start working in sync, sharing data in real time. Next, you'll see the Try Now button. Go ahead and click it. This trial mode is perfect for exploring the features inside Zoho Inventory, like stock tracking, order processing, and monitoring product movements across your business. Think of it as your test drive to understand how powerful the combined setup can be. After you've explored the trial and you're ready to commit, click. Join this step confirms the integration and takes you to the business configuration area. Now it's time to set up your organization profile inside Zoho Inventory. Make sure all details like business name, address, tax settings, and contact info are accurate. This is crucial because these details sync directly with Zoho Books, and any mismatch can cause issues later. Once everything looks correct, click Get Started. Zoho will walk you through the remaining setup steps with an easy to follow workflow. And that's it. The integration is now live and your systems will work together seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on automating workflows between Zoho apps. See you in the next video.